What is it that makes a video feel
cinematic? Is it the movement? The light? Is it the texture of the image? Or the grade that sits on top of it? Is it the music pulling you in? Or the cut that lands exactly when it should? The truth is, it's never just one thing. It's the choices, the small, invisible decisions that separate a clip from a scene. And once you see it, it can't be unseen. Every time I post a video, someone in the comments says something like, "How do you make everything look so cinematic?" And I get it. I think people assume there's some magic button, some secret setting, but the truth is the stuff that actually makes a video feel cinematic is the stuff nobody sees. It's the sound design underneath the dialogue. It's that 2-second transition that took you 45 minutes to get right. It's the texture and the grade, the motion graphic that makes a title feel alive. Today, I want to pull back the curtain and show you what I actually mean, the invisible layers, and honestly, how I've been building them. I've been making videos for over a decade now. Music videos, commercials, short films, tour content, all of it. And one of the biggest things I've learned is that the difference between a good video and a great video is almost never the camera. It's the layers underneath. Look at this timeline. You see the footage up here? Sure. But look at everything underneath it. Sound effects, ambient audio, a music bed that sets the entire emotional tone, motion graphics, overlays. These are the things that turn a sequence of clips into a story. And for a long time, building these layers meant pulling assets from 5, 6, 7 different places. I'd have a folder of random downloads, a subscription to this, a free trial for that. Half the time, I'd spend more time searching for the right sound effect than I spend actually editing. That's why Storyblocks has become such a core part of how I work. Storyblocks is basically this all-in-one creative toolkit, and the reason I keep coming back to it is because everything is in one place. Footage, music, sound effects, templates, motion graphics, all of it. Let's say I'm working on a piece and I need an establishing shot, something with atmosphere. Instead of digging through random folders or Googling for 20 minutes, I just search it here. And the thing that matters to me, all of this is real footage, human-made, shot by actual filmmakers and artists around the world. This is not some AI-generated clip. This is someone who stood behind a camera and captured a real moment. That matters to me as a filmmaker. You can feel the difference. They also have a plugin that lives directly inside Premiere Pro and After Effects, so I don't even have to leave my edit. I can search, preview, and drop assets straight into my timeline. Honestly, that alone has saved me so much time. They say the average member saves about 3.5 hours a week, and I believe it. Templates for After Effects, Premiere, DaVinci Resolve, title animations, logo reveals, overlays, all the motion graphic stuff that used to take me hours to build from scratch. I can now customize templates in minutes, and it looks like I spent all day on it. Here's something I think about a lot. If you watch a movie with the sound off, it feels like nothing. You could have the most beautiful shot in the world, but without the right music, the right ambient texture underneath it, it's just an image. Sound is half the story, maybe even more. Hear that? Same footage, completely different feeling. That's what I mean by the invisible layers. And the other thing I never want to worry about, licensing. I've had friends get copyright strikes that tanked a video's performance. For Storyblocks, everything is royalty-free, pre-licensed, and ready for commercial and monetized projects. You can even add your YouTube channel ID to your account to whitelist your channel and help prevent music claims. Their audio library is exclusive to the platform, so you're not running into the same tracks everywhere. That peace of mind lets me actually focus on the creative work instead of second-guessing whether a track is going to get flagged. I've said this before and I'll keep saying it, create because you love it. Never create from a place of wanting fame fame or wanting a number. Success follows passion. It always does. But passion needs fuel. It needs tools that don't slow you down. When I was starting out, I was editing on the worst laptop you've ever seen, using whatever free assets I could find, and spending more time problem solving than storytelling. Having a toolkit that just works, that lets you go from the idea in your head to the finished piece without 100 detours. And that's everything. And that's the difference between finishing a project and just abandoning it in a folder somewhere. So if you want to start telling better stories with the tools I actually use every day, head to storyblocks.com/TaylorCutFilms. And right now they've got a special limited time offer on any annual plan. That deal is only available through my link. Whether you're making YouTube videos, client work, music videos, short films, whatever your thing is, Storyblocks gives you the creative building blocks to make it all feel more professional, more polished, and more you. Link is in the description. All right, go make something, and I'll see you in the next one.